Have you ever felt like the world of online trading is a maze of endless choices, choosing different brokers, complex platforms, and the confusing fees? Well, what if I told you that there is a broker out there that is shaking up things and making trading simpler, faster, and more affordable? Welcome to the world of Omega, a company that is quickly making its mark in the financial space. Today we are going to break it all down, from its sleek platform to its unique benefits. So stick around, see if Omega is the game changer you've been looking for and waiting for. Grab a cup of coffee because we are about to dip into what makes Omega broker stand out in today's crowded market. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Yes, so here we are. Before we do anything, before we even open up an account, we would want to see what other people think about Omega. This is what I usually do before I choose things like, let's say, prop firms, brokerage companies. I want to see what are other people talking about these companies. So when we go to Omega, right, because it is the broker we are reviewing today, we are seeing some reviews so far. It is scoring a 4.5, a 4.2 out of 5, right, which is promising. Okay, then also let's see some of the reviews quickly. We see great, true, excellent broker with excellent support and transparency. So support is getting a tick already. Then we see free deposit bonus. Wow, that means they are giving a bonus on your deposits. Okay, and they're well organized. Okay, traded using a welcome bonus used to make profits, which are withdrew successfully. So we do have some reviews here. They are recent, but you can go on and see some that are a bit old. Okay, so excellent services, best low spreads, and fast withdrawals. So generally, Trust Pilot, we know we use this website to review many companies. So if it is still scoring a 4.5, yeah, it means that, depending on other people, it means that you can really try out this broker. So without wasting more time, let's go look through how the platform of Omega looks like and how do you start. Okay, first of all, I'll be putting the link in the bio for you to register with this broker. It will be easier for you to verify the account. So the link, you'll click in the bio, then it will bring you to this page. Okay, you will fill in your information, name, email address, password, and then you create the account. After creating the account, okay, you'll obviously go to their dashboard. Okay, you'll obviously go to their dashboard. But before we go to the dashboard, let's see the general outlook of the website. So this is the Omega website, the home page. Okay, so you see they are providing Omega app. You can manage your broker account using an app, both on iPhone and Android, which is good. They are providing zero commission, fast execution, and then they are providing this as the maximum leverage as per now, as per recording this video. But I heard that they are yet to heighten the leverage so that they can support those people that trade news. Actually, if you want to trade news without limited leverage, Omega does not reduce the leverage. You will stick to your leverage. So those people that usually want to trade news, yeah, this broker can do for you. So they have this unique feature that is called unlimited cashback. They give you back on every single trade you take. Doesn't matter if you've profited or you've lost. So I'll explain that more in details. So they provide indices, currencies, metals, gold, those things of gold, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, things that you can trade on Omega. So they have multiple payment methods, which is one of the things that you should look at when you're choosing a broker. It should have multiple methods. If this method is down, you can opt for another. If this one is down, you can opt for another. So this proves that your money, you'll be getting good services with your money. So of course they are providing MT5, they're providing a web terminal, then they provide you with one account. So that is the overview of the brokerage, right? So then when we log in, I'm going to try sign in my account. So you go to sign in. After you've signed up, you've approved everything of yours. Okay, you'll need to sign in. This is where you sign in from. You fill in your email address and then your password. Right? So okay, so this is how the dashboard will look like when you've logged in. So when you're new, you've just registered, please make sure you verify your account. People in Uganda here, you'll only need your national ID to verify your proof of residence. Use the back of your ID because it does have your address. So it is saving you from the stress of maybe going to the banks asking for bank statements and so on and so forth. So easy verification is also guaranteed with Omega. So this is how the thing is looking like, the dashboard. Okay, so you have the main account. So this is where you deposit the money. When you deposit the money, it will come to your main wallet. But then here you do have your one account. This is the trading account that you're going to connect on your MT5. So when you deposit the money, when you deposit the money, it will go on your main account. So these are the payment methods you can use. You can use crypto, you can use your local service providers. So it does have mobile money, people in Uganda, and then also other countries. So these are all payment methods that you can use. The minimum deposit is $20. Okay, so if you have $20, you can trade with Omega, right? So let's go talk about the cashback that really surprised me. You know, the moment I saw this broker, I tried it out a few days back to see. I tried the withdrawals, I tried these cashbacks. So I deposited a small amount of money, but I'm going to be depositing and trade more to see how best we can squeeze money out of these brokers. The brokers that pay, these are the brokers that you should use. So so this is the cashback account. So every time you trade, so I came tested it. I deposited a few dollars to see. So I put this lot size, and they gave me these cents. Okay, those are the cents that they gave me. So that means when maybe you trade more, the more lot size, the more cashbacks you will get. Okay, so you can transfer these cashbacks to real, or you can withdraw them via your preferred payment method. So generally, we are seeing the platform is easy, user friendly. The deposits are on fingertips. You want to withdraw, Okay, you can see your history. Okay, you can see your history. You can see everything going on. Okay, so sometimes there may be these local networks problems, delays, but surely you'll do get your withdrawals as per now. So you can transfer your money within your accounts, in and out. Um, so if you're still watching this video, seems that you're enjoying, let me see you subscribe, like, drop a comment. What do you think about Omega? Have you ever had an experience with it? Or what is your personal experience about Omega? Put it in your comment. Put it in the comment section below. Otherwise, let's stop here for today. I'll come back with yet another video trading with this account. Actually, we are going to be trading live. We are going to resume our live trading sessions. So we shall be reviewing this broker live, trading with it live, making withdrawals live. So if you want to join the winning team, make sure you subscribe, join our Telegram group, and be your best trader. Remember, enough is enough. Theme of the year. See you in the next one.